So today let's make a quick tutorial on FL Studio Mobile. I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple hip hop instrumental as a beginner. And because of time, I already have my drums loaded. Here you can see this is my kick and this is my snare. Here I have another kick and I have clay. This is a shaker and this is a tambourine. So these are the drums I'll be using. My drums are percussion. So for the tempo, I'll be using 160 BPM, but you can also use 80 BPM. So let's range a simple hip hop instrumental. Please, in case you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload another video. Let's turn down the volume of the percussion. Always make sure your percussions are not higher than your MIDI drums. Let's copy and paste it at the front. And for this other bar, I would like to make the kick. I want it to sound like a roll. Let's add another one at the top. So you can hear the way it's sounding. I believe you can hear how it's sounding. So now let's bring in our shakers. So when you're making music, try to be creative. Music production is all about creativity. If you're not creative, you can't go far in the music production industry. It's all about creativity and just bringing your ideas together. Let's lower the shakers. And, let's add the tabling. Let's just see this one here. So for the tabling, I'm going to repeat it, and to do that, just see what I do. You just have to click it and it will slice it into three. It depends on the number and depends on the number you click. So I just want it to be 3 or 4, so you just leave it like this. Now let's copy and paste it at the front. So I think let's take it to the front as well. Okay, let's just leave it here. So now let's turn down the volume, and always remember to pan your kicks. I always tell you guys, when making beats, try to pan some of your sounds. I mean, not your kick, try to pan some of your sounds when making your own beat. And don't also forget to swing your instrumental. I always tell you guys, but not all your instrumental. Swing your instrumental if you see it necessary to do so. So now let's add a chord. And that sound you're seeing there is just a vocal loop. I'll play the vocal loop later once we finish adding the chord, so you don't have to worry. And for the chord, for those of you that have MIDI controllers, you can use your MIDI controllers. But if you don't have a MIDI controller, you can play it with the screen, just this way. It's very easy to play. So now let's record our chord. To record it, just click on those white dots here. You can see it's showing red. Now you can click on any button and it will count 3. After 3 you start record. So I've recorded our chord. Now let's humanize it. Humanizing means to simply adjust them so that they can sound like it was real played by human, not computer. When humanizing, try to pay attention to every little detail. So I have this vocal here, so let's play the beat alongside the vocals. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more contents like this, and share my videos with your friends also. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful.